Okay, this is to show where the water drainage is in the front of a house. All sorts of water was pooling around the garage and the side of the house, and so there's a trench that's been dug, and things are marked. There's a sprinkler head for a sprinkler system, and then here's the lamp post and the electric wire that's for that, and then connected to that is another wire that appears to be left over from when the house maybe used to have a like the up lights and stuff that shine on the house, landscape lighting. We're assuming that's what that is. Another sprinkler head. There's the water feed for the sprinkler head. There's the gutters have an underground system, and so here's where it comes out. Is right there. There's a bit of an elbow into a longer piece that then continues underground. And you can see the trench, it starts high and it gets lower and lower. In some sections, the trench doesn't look as deep because the yard has a bit of a flow from high to low. So the whole idea is to have the water flow downhill. It's funny how it does that. Here's another spout for that gutter. Dumps out over to here, which then goes under the yard and then goes around to the side, I guess. So there's a little bit of a gully, a dugout underneath that, so the water can flow into that spot and then get underneath it and then continue to let gravity do its thing. Here's another sprinkler head right there. And then it goes all the way over to here where there's going to be a catch basin where when there's a really strong storm, the water will pool in the catch basin from this side and from that side, and then we'll run through PVC piping over here into the big catch-all for the runoff. This has been expanded from what was there. You can see down at the end what was already there. So a longer stretch has been added and has been properly graded now, so the water will run the correct way. This whole area right here would get understanding water during significant storms, and the idea with all of this work is that should no longer be the case. That is the hope and the plan. And you can see there's edging here for this side too, so the water will run down along the edge and filter all the way back into that corner. So here's where stuff is buried. This is underground system there. Not sure what the black one is. Have to investigate that and shore some of this up. Some of this piping and stuff is not maybe hasn't weathered all that great. So there we have it. So there's a quick little update on how to go about trying to do a drainage system around a house that's got